Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you set up the n8n AI automation workflow in your VPS or hosting. Okay, so this is very simple. So I am using the Linode basically VPS. Okay, so whatever VPS you are using, the step is very simple. So I will explain it through the command line interface how you can install this, and also in the basically GUI based WinSCP server. Okay, so here you can see this a new node of install of the n8n will be installed. Okay, so let's start this from the step one. The step one is inside your server. Okay, run this command, that is apt-update. Okay, so this is here. Okay, so first of all go to the root. Okay, and inside here run the apt-update command. Okay, so after this the second command is to install the basically the docker. So we will install this through docker. So here copy this, basically save this. Okay, and remove the hyphen from start and click enter. Now the basically the docker certification is installed. After that copy the third command, this one, and inside here paste this. So this command will be mentioned in the video description too. Command again run the apt update command. Okay, and after the again update run command, then okay, copy this command, that is the apt install -y docker certification. Okay, so this will be mentioned in video description, these all commands, so don't worry, just copy and paste this command. Okay, so 97%, 99%, and after that the progress is started. It will take some time. Let's wait for its finishing. So after this basically we will create a new folder for n8n. Okay, so just copy this and this basically work is done. So now inside the root we will create a new folder for n8n, and inside the, for example, GUI, and if we refresh, so basically we are in the root. So first of all we need to go to the root, and inside the root, so basically if you check the command, we create a new opt folder, and inside the opt there is a n8n. Okay, so here search for the opt. So this is the opt, and inside this opt we have the n8n folder. So that's this folder we create through the commands. Okay, so after creating this, now go back to here. Now we will move to that specific basically folder that is created. So inside the cd and then the opt here, opt and then n8n. So go to that specific folder. Now we will inside the right folder, that is n8n. Okay, so now again go to here, and here we create a new file, that is the docker-compose.yml. Okay, so basically create this file okay, through this command, or you can inside the GUI here we can also go here, and here we right click and create a new folder file. Okay, so from the command line I will show you step by step. So go back here and here press the sudo nano docker-compose.yml. Okay, when this is open, then here paste these all uh, okay, from here copy and paste these all thing. Okay, paste from right click here. Okay, and press the control plus x, and yes, click on y and click on enter. Okay, from the here GUI interface, if we refresh this n8n folder, here you can see that the docker-compose.yml is created, and when we double click on it, here you can see this content which we just paste is mentioned here. So that's it. After that the final command is to run that specific docker through this docker-compose-app. Okay, here run this, enter, and here you can see this all the image of n8n, that is the command is basically described in the composer yml file will be starting, and now the docker basically install all the dependencies that are required for n8n. Okay, so let's wait for its completion. This is basically 281 MB pulling file of pulling. So let's wait. Basically the docker is successfully basically composed and built is basically done. Okay, after that one thing more, allow the port, that is 5678 by the firewall. So for this paste this command, that is ufw allow 5678. Okay, yes, it is edited. There are permission issues too, so also basically chown permission to that specific new directory to this command. Okay, so now giving the permission to that specific n8n, again run this command to restart the composer. Okay, so basically I again after this I restart the composer through this command. So now it here you can see this, if we refresh now, Okay, so IP address and then the column 5678 will go to that n8n. Okay, so let's wait for basically the loading. We access our IP or domain in this 5678 port. Okay, so now this warning is showing. So this is successfully basically n8n install, and just you can basically this is just a warning. So we can fix this warning, okay, or solve this warning with two options. The first option is to create a subdomain, and the second option is the quick basically fixing, that is just update your docker compose. Okay, double click on this, or you can through the sudo nano command you can also do this. Okay, so and here basically replace this environment here. Okay, so this code is mentioned in video description, so just copy and paste. Okay, so basically the latest code will be showing there, so don't need, you can basically you have don't need, you will not need to do this again. Okay, so if this ever happens, then again basically composer down and then up, or you can restart it. Okay, so through this command, docker composer compose down. Okay, and then up, you can basically up through this command, that is this one, docker compose up hyphen d. After that, go back to your browser setup, and if we call this Narcissoft and 5678, here you can see this a successfully window for n8n is showing. It means the n8n is successfully installed in your VPS. So here, for example, I'm going my email for first time login. Okay, and the first and last name, and set the password. Okay, meaningful password. Okay, and click on next. So we can get started and skip this step. So wow, successfully n8n is installed in your VPS. Okay, so you can basically start from scratch, or basically we can import a built-in template to see this. Now we can basically create our workflow in n8n. So n8n is successfully deployed in your VPS. Okay, so this plus icon, you can basically add any node. For example, I'm adding the cron job node, so this all will be working here like this. Okay, so you can add many nodes and different works flow. So I hope you have understood how you install the n8n in your VPS. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice